Yeah, I think it's an exciting time in trail running. You're seeing more and more people taking to the trails, wanting more adventure in their running. Brooks is really poised to take trail running in a new direction with the Grit. I think what's really important in trail running shoes is ride. It's got to perform well. A trail running surface is constantly changing. Another key element is the fit, and it needs to really feel like a part of the foot and just an extension of essentially our anatomy. When you're on a trail, I've always tried to think, okay, what are we trying to do in describing the function of a trail running shoe? I think we need to look at maybe rock climbing, because those shoes are very stiff. People wear them for hours on end, but the key element is they're torsionally rigid and they allow for that propulsion to occur. So with running, we need to have that flexibility for the metatarsals and flexing the joints in the foot. But otherwise, we want to create a rigid environment so you don't have this shoe that can be torsionally strained. A performance trail running shoe doesn't have to feel like that squishy, soft ride. You want a stiffer midsole so that that propulsion occurs, so that you have that connection to the foot. This is more performance driven. This is the shoe that you take out when you want to just go lightweight and have fun on the trail, or when you really want that performance. Brooks is really poised to kind of take trail running in a new direction with the Grit.